December 19th, 2009.
Say hi, Daddy!
On Andrews Air Force Base, we got a really big snowstorm. It's pretty awesome. We got about 1.5 feet
Whoa!
already, and no wind in sight. Charlie! Hey, Malin.
Hi, Dad! Say hi, Dad! It's a snow!
What's he doing? Charlie. Charlie. Hey. What are you doing? Come on. Yeah.
Josh, I want to go get some gloves.
This is our reindeer. You can see the amount of snow that's fallen.
Uh-oh! Yeah! Are you eating it? How does it taste?
Don't eat yellow snow.
Okay, not loving it, but not hating it. So that's a good thing. You would lose Brianna out here if you brought her out. That's cool. We're about to walk down to Laura's real quick to get me some gloves. And then we'll be right back. So after that, sure. Oh, here comes a plow.
I wish I had done that an hour ago.